Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to download and install Stumble Guys on your Nintendo Switch. You might be using Nintendo Switch Mini or Nintendo Switch OLED or whatever. So you can easily download it. So today, August 28th, right, it is actually launched Stumble Guys in Nintendo Switch. Already they have launched for PlayStation and Xbox. So now I'm going to install it on my Nintendo Switch. So you need to go to this Nintendo Switch e-store, okay, e-shop, sorry, it's an e-shop. So here you need to choose your user ID. If you don't have login, just log in. So it's trying to navigate. If it is asking you to enter the password, you need to enter it. I have already provided the password and I just skipped it. So super. Here I'm going to search it actually. So here Stumble Guys is free. You would have played in mobile. Stumble Guys, yes. It is there. I'm going to search it. Super cool. It's a free download. See, I'm going to tap it, free download. It's available to download. Okay. And I'm going to tap it, free download. Again, I need to tap it, free download. Super cool. So here I'm going to close it. Already I have registered, I might have claimed that. Okay, I'm just closing it. So it's trying to install. Download options. Yes, I don't know the size of this. Yes, okay. It's only 5 minutes to download it. Wow, it's downloaded 100%. So I can launch now. I'm going to use that user ID. Yes, we need Scopely account. Press any button. Okay. I need to accept the terms and conditions. So that's it, friends. So now you will be able to play. So under setting, you can enable crossplay. So if you want, right, you can select the region and you can, by default, crossplay is enabled. That's it. Now we can play the game. I'm going to check how it is. It's searching. Yes.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip.
Anyway, you can download this Stumble Guys on your Nintendo Switch, guys. So it is available. I'll be providing the link in the description so you can download it. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.